Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this AT Max filler number 3. Looking for top spot advances to the main. We're live. 8:38. 8:38. We got the list here. 10 entries. Michael on the top, Bruno on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 6 times at 8:38. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 times, we got Bruno on the top. Need to go 6. Good luck at 8:38. 8:38. Last and final roll. Top spot gets spot in the main. Congratulations goes to spot 10, Bruno. Congratulations, Bruno. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done at 8:38. 8:38. Congratulations, Bruno. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.